city lights on both sides of the road. You tore around and left a red dirt cloud just a-rising on it. Well, she was staring at one with the sun and a brand new horizon on it. You had no idea what you were fixing to find down the lines of the road. You could have took a left, she could have took a right. She'd have never ended up in a truck on the same one that night. The one you got lost on, the one you pulled off on, the one you want to shine your headlights forever on. You want to take her, make her yours till the end of the road. Maine to California, all the way to South Georgia, there's a million of them. You've made the haul, drove them all felt wrong, all but this one doesn't. Now you can't imagine not having her by your side on this ride down the road. Yeah. You could have took a left, she could have took a right. She'd have never ended up in a truck on the same one that night. The one you got lost on, the one you pulled off on, the one you want to shine your headlights forever on. You want to take her, make her yours till the end of the road. Baby, ain't it crazy out of all the ones that we could have chose? You could have took a left. I got no money in my pockets. I got a hole in my jeans. I had a job and I lost it, but it won't get to me, 'cause I'm riding with my baby. It's a brand new day. We're on the wheels of an angel flying away, and the sun is shining, and this road keeps winding through the prettiest country from Georgia to Tennessee. And I got the one I love beside me, my troubles behind me. I'm alive and I'm free. Who wouldn't want to be me? Now she's strumming on my six string. It's across her pretty knees. She's stomping out a rhythm